We'll guide you through how to drive Printful growth effectively using the latest methods and tools available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Printful website. Once you're logged in, you need to focus on expanding your product catalog. Head to the Products section and explore the new items added to the platform, which include trendy apparel and accessories that are currently in demand. Next, integrate your Printful account with your e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. This ensures seamless order processing and fulfillment. Go to Stores, click Add Store, and follow the prompts to connect with your chosen platform. This integration can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Now, let's talk about marketing. Printful offers a variety of mock-up generators and design tools. Go to the Design tab and create eye-catching visuals for your products. Use these visuals in your social media and email marketing campaigns to attract more customers. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach a larger audience. Another way to grow is by optimizing your product listings. Make sure your titles, descriptions, and tags are keyword-rich and clear. This helps improve search visibility and attracts the right customers. Don't forget to use Printful's analytics tools to track your sales and